Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use Recycler View with Card View in Android using Kotlin. So let's start. Open your Android Studio. First we create our project. So click on Start a new Android Studio project. And here we select Empty Activity. Click on Next. Name of your application. Here we choose the language Kotlin and click on Finish. Now we add the required dependency in Gradle, build.gradle. So here we add dependency for recycler view and for card view. I'll provide the dependency in description box. Here I am using Android X, so I add the dependency according that. Now click on layout, activity main.xml. First we save our image and travel folder for our background. Now we work on design. In activity main.xml file, we add one recycler view. Now we create one layout that represent the list of item in recycler view. Name it item. Here we use linear layout. Inside this linear layout, we add card view. And inside this card view, we take one linear layout. Now we create a one travel resource file for background. Now item.xml. Inside this linear layout, we add background, custom background. Now we add three text view, one for name, one for age, and one for address. Click on activity main.xml. Here we add background. Now we will create one model class. This class is for user. So click on Kotlin.file, name it model user. Now we create one adapter, and this adapter we are creating to display the data in recycler view. So name it custom adapter. Here we extend recycler view dot adapter. Now we implement all the methods. First we create view holder class. This class we are creating to hold the list view. Here we create one function. Now we work on create view holder, and this method is used to return the view for each item in the layout. So here we create the view. Here we pass our item layout, parent, and false. Now we work on bind view holder, and this method is used to binding the data on the list. Here showing error. Here we have to change to model user. Now get item count, and this method return the size of the list. Now click on main activity. First we fetch the recycler view ID from XML file by using find view by ID. Adding a layout manager. Now we will create a array list that store the user using our model class. Now we are going to add some data. So here we write usernames dot add. Similarly, we add other data. Now creating our adapter. Now I'm going to add the adapter to the recycler view. Before run the project, there is a little change in our item.xml layout. Here we change the height, wrap contain, and run the project. Here you can see the output. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share your feedback in comment section. Thank you.